Hello viewers, welcome to Anvita's Cookhouse. Today I am here to share with you an appetizing and flavorsome recipe, nothing but roasted masala fish. This is completely different from normal fish fry because of its taste and flavor. The onions that we are going to add in this recipe is going to taste really great and excellent. This recipe I am going to share complete tips and tricks to make a perfect roasted masala. And I even share how to eliminate this particular raw odor from onion. The speciality of this dish is unlike normal fish fries, these fish pieces are coated with some thick roasted masala which we can mix up in the rice, and it also tastes heavenly delicious. Before we go into the recipe, let us see the ingredients required for this. Marinate fish pieces overnight simply with salt and chili powder. Take large cup of chopped onions to make fish masala and grind them to fine paste. Adjust the quantity of onions depending upon your gravy requirement. One tip here, large quantities of onion paste doesn't work to get a fine roasted masala. In this recipe, I used one large bowl of onions for 6 fish pieces, so you can adjust according to this. Transfer this onion paste to a bowl and add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, followed by 2 tablespoons red chili powder. We can even use Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives good color for the dish. Add salt as per your taste, followed by 1 teaspoon garam masala. No need to use special chicken masalas or fish masalas. Normal garam masala that we do prepare at home absolutely works well for this recipe also. Once added, give it a good mix. Heat a wide bottomed non-stick pan. Make sure of enough space as fish pieces doesn't overlap. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons oil to the pan and finally add fish masala to it. Allow this masala to roast for 10 minutes. While roasting, you need to keep your flame medium. Roast this masala until water evaporates from the onion paste. Mix in between for even roasting. After a while, cover with the lid and make sure of gap. One more tip here, once you cover with the lid, you need to lower the flame and roast it until it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, if required, now add little amount of water and add marinated fish pieces to this masala. Now cover the lid and make sure of gap. We need to leave some gap as fish pieces becomes very soft and tender if we close the lid completely. Allow these pieces to cook for 10 more minutes. Once these fish pieces changes its color to pale white, flip the pieces to the other side and remove the lid. Allow it to cook for 10 more minutes until it forms a thick roast. You have to be very careful while flipping to the other side, else it results in a break. So after you flip the fish pieces, we need to roast the masala gravy again until it forms a thick brown color. I personally prefer thick roasted gravy which turns dark brown color, so you can adjust according to your taste. So once the fish pieces are roasted, transfer them to serving platter. Garnish with coriander, lemon and some onions. Here are some more tips and tricks for you to get a perfect roasted masala fish. First tip, thin slices doesn't work well for this recipe. Thickness should be in the medium size so that won't break when you flip to the other side. To avoid burning of masala, we need to use thick bottomed pan. If we use thin bottomed pan, there are chances are very high in fact to burn out masala instead of getting roasted. So it's better to use only thick bottomed pan. If you are doing this for the first time, follow these tips along with the tips I mentioned in the video. We can even do roasted raw banana recipe for vegetarians. Same process but a little difference in roasting banana. That recipe I'll going to explain in my coming videos. So as of now, enjoy this roasted masala fish. Do give a try at home and I'm sure you are going to like this taste. So please do subscribe Anvita's Cookhouse and press on bell icon to get my further recipe notifications. Thank you and bye bye.